Ayo, what is poppin' crossers? In today's video, I'll be talking about how to get the brand new International Children's Day event items in Animal Crossing New Horizons. So let's get right into it. So yet again, we have another event in Animal Crossing New Horizons, not as big as the other events in the game. This event will contain 2 new items that you can get from the month of June. June 1st is International Children's Day, and on this day we celebrate children and show our appreciation for them. So earlier today, Animal Crossing tweeted out on their Twitter saying, "Did you know that today is International Children's Day?" Yes, on this day we take the time to celebrate the children of the world, and Nook Shopping can help you celebrate with special items available through the end of the month. I hope you'll take a look. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to get these handmade items. So it's really simple. All you have to do is go to the Nook Shopping app on your phone or at your Nook Stop. If you don't have it on your phone, I made a simple video talking about how to get the Nook Shopping app on your phone. I'll put a link down below in the comments section. But yeah, to be able to purchase these items, you can either go to your Nook Stop or the Nook Shopping app on your phone. Just for today's video, I'll be going to the Nook Stop just to purchase these items. So once you've gone to your Nook Stop, you want to go to the Nook Shopping app either on your phone or the Nook Stop. Like I said, it really doesn't matter. And once you've gone to your Nook Stop, you want to access the Nook Shopping, and then if you want to go under special goods, and then at the top there you can see there should be daily selection, posters, and seasonal. You want to go to the seasonal area, and this will show you all these seasonal items for the month. So of course we have the Thank You Dad mug, which is in celebration of Father's Day later this month, and of course we have the handmade crown and handmade cape. The handmade crown is 300 bells and the other one is 500 bells, so both of them together would be 800 bells, which isn't that much. It's a couple fish, really. And once you order them, they will be in your mail the next day. And you can see I'm wearing these items on the screen right now. So I have the handmade crown on my head, and then on my body I have the handmade cape, which if I turn around, you can see the cape on my back. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please drop a like on the video. If you did learn something new from today's video, please drop a like on the video and subscribe if you're new here. Hit that post notification bell to save my content, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.